time for my final update and review on the Beauty Secrets acrylic nail kit. What is it actually called? 4-in-1 acrylic extension kit. It's been a while, it's been a couple weeks. So I'm gonna keep this really short. People like short, quick, to the point. I don't recommend the kit. And with that being said, it's not that I think it's bad. I think it's a really good kit. It's got everything that you need in it. And yeah, there was nothing really wrong with it. It's just that I think for your money, you can get better things out there, especially if you're someone like me who doesn't do your nails that often. There's no reason to spend this much money on a kit. I think it was like $36 or something. I can't even remember, but you could probably only, if you're lucky, 4 uses out of it, unless you go buy your own tips somewhere else. But at this point, especially with people having to do things themselves at home more often, than like doing things DIY, doing it themselves, I think you're better off going and buying the separate pieces, like places where you can get a dip kit, or you can just buy the things separately. Like you can buy your own nail tips, buy your own dip powders, or you can even just buy the acrylic powders and the acrylic liquid separately in bigger sizes. Better amount for your money, bigger bang for your buck, whatever. Anyway, so there's nothing wrong with the kit. If I was just rating the kit, it's 4 out of 5, I guess. I don't even know. But just in the grand scheme of things, it's not something I'll buy again. Mostly because I find myself gravitating more towards dip kits at this point, just because they're easier and I don't do my nails that often. I am not a professional. Yeah. So that's my recommendation, that's my opinion, that's my final review. I'm gonna go ahead and let the weekly updates play after this. I only ended up wearing them for 2 weeks. They're not on obviously anymore, but I only ended up wearing them for 2 weeks and I had some severe lifting, but that's because of application errors, not because the kit is bad. It's just, your non-dominant hand is just not as good as applying, and so I got really bad lifting on my right hand and some lifting on my left. And I think because I had them so long in the beginning, there was more jostling, and I don't know. I'm just trying to justify what was going on with my nails, but anyway, I'm gonna let those play, and then yeah. We're on the 1 week update, and so far still okay. My cuticles are a little dry and there's some lifting, but honestly, most of the lifting is on my right hand because my non-dominant hand is the one that did it, so it's not, yeah, and I'm having some issues with my cuticles. Let's just ignore that, but they look okay. They're doing okay. They're hanging on. I trimmed them a little bit because they were really long. They're still really long. But anyway, looking cute. 1 week. Slight lifting, especially on the right hand. All right. It's week 2. And there is some severe lifting. I trimmed them again, as you can see. I'm ready to take these off, though. Only after 2 weeks. From far away, they still look cute. But the lifting is so bad. It's so hard to see, but it's just they're not doing okay, and I don't want to leave them on too much longer with all that lifting. And I'm not going to blame it entirely on the product. I'm not the best at applying nails, but I usually can get them. They probably would stay on for 4 weeks if I really wanted them to, but it wouldn't look good. And if I painted them, it would probably hide the problems. But, I want to take them off. All right. So, yeah, pretty much after that last update, after trimming them short and all that lifting, I took them off. And I haven't touched the nails in a while. It's been like a month. And I can't decide if I want to try another kit or just try some kind of fun design, like get some different dip powders. Or I kind of want to see, I still have the rainbow acrylic powders that I bought off eBay a long time ago. I haven't done anything fun with them in a while, so maybe I could try to mix up some colors or something. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of fun things I can do with my nails. If you want to see the full tutorial or demonstration video, I don't really like to call it a tutorial because I'm not a professional, but if you want to see the demonstration video I did with my initial, first impression review of this kit, I will link that down in the description, so you can watch the whole actual tutorial, the process, how I did it and everything. Yeah, that will be linked down below. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye!